Hi, for today I will teach you my Wika Quiz 1 version 2.2. And before that, my camera is not working for today. I don't know why what happened, but I will continue this quiz for only minutes. I will explain this in minutes that you will get it faster. So, we, on our quiz, we have said that we need this data, uh, 250 samples for Trinitario cacao and 200 another 250 samples for Forastero cacao. So you can as you can see on the data, the Trinitario cacao has only 240 245 samples. So what I do is I copy 5 at the final and then paste it here. Excuse me. After I paste it here, from the data, I gather again a Forastero with a 250 samples. Uh, After I gather these 250 samples for Forastero and Trinitario cacao, the first 200 samples of Trinitario cacao, okay, this 200 first sample is used for training set. So where did I put it? I get another Excel, and this one is the training set. As you can see, this one is the 200 samples for Trinitario from this one, from this data. And on this file again, another 200 samples for Forastero cacao. So where did the other 50 both samples for Trinitario and Forastero? For the another 50, I use it for testing set. For this testing set is you can see the data. I gather the last 50 Trinitario cacao. As you can see, 50 Trinitario cacao and 50 Forastero cacao. Then, okay, let's close this one, the 250 samples, because I already excuse me, gather some data for it. For training set, we have 250 both, and for testing set, we have 50. So the next step after you have your data on your file, you must go to your file. You must save it. You must save it as a CSV file or the comma delimited. So wait for a while because it is hanging. So after that, after you save this as a CSV, this one will do it. This one. This is the output. The training set and testing set CSV file are comma delimited. After you have already saved it, you can go to Wika now. On Wika, after you open it, go to Tools, ARFF Viewer, File, then open the CSV file that you have saved. So I save it on my desktop, and then file type CSV data files, and I open testing set and training set. For example, we have to open this testing set. After that, you save it. You save it as ARFF viewer. So because I have already have the ARFF file of testing set and training set, we can now classify it. So for classifying, go to Wika, Explorer, wait for a while. So I'll just close this one because it's not working. So on this Explorer, you open your file, locate your ARFF file. So I already get it on the desktop. Uh, as you can remember, the training set, which has a 200 both samples for Trinitario and Forastero Cacao, will open it. After you open it, there's the data, the attributes, and the graphs. So uh, let's go to classify now. And as you can see, when you classify it, use the use training set. On use training set, you choose your own classifier. After you choose your own classifier, go to supply test set. Then click set, open file, open your testing set data. Where you save it? I already saved it on my desktop on testing set. It contains 50 samples of Trinitario and Forastero Cacao. So when you open it, open, then close. And if you start this one, it will now classify, but I already classified and try a lot of classifiers. So I'll just close it and go to this one. So as you can see, I already classify a lot. So you can see here 70, 60, 50. It's low. Excuse me. But for classifying a lot, I determined that using training set for 200 samples, I get from let's choose the classifier. I get this one on functions and multi-layer perceptron, and then let's start. So when it is classifying for about 1 second or 2 seconds, I got a 97% on correct classified instances of 388 samples. And the accuracy we got again is 97%. That's for the training set. And then as I have mentioned earlier, for the supply test set, then you click set. We will choose a classifier, and what I choose is from functions again, then logistics, then you can classify it. So I got 82% of accuracy on correctly classified instances of 82 samples, with a 50 both each samples for Trinitario and Forastero Cacao. So I hope you learn a lot from my data. So this is the Wika Quiz 2 version 2.2. Thank you.